Brexit relations with EU are set to escalate as Boris Johnson will chair a cabinet meeting to discuss triggering Article 16. Jane Ardier, director of the pro-Brexit campaign group Get Britain Out, was speaking after a court in Le Havre ordered the release of the Cornelis Gert-Jan, the Scottish-registered scallop dredger detained for allegedly fishing without a licence off the coast of France. She said, the scallops which had been caught, worth an estimated £4,500, were seized and have not been returned. I for one want to see these fishermen reimbursed by the French government for their lost profits and wasted time they had to spend moored up in Le Havre harbour for over a week. They have lost out on potentially thousands of pounds because of French administrative errors and an overzealous French president. In other news, Brexit relations with the EU are set to escalate as Boris Johnson will chair a cabinet meeting to discuss triggering Article 16. Lord Frost met for talks with Maros Sefcovic on Friday and warned using Article 16 is very much on the table. Following talks, the Prime Minister will hold a cabinet meeting for the first time to discuss unilaterally suspending parts of the trade and cooperation agreement. Mujtaba Rahman, managing director for the Eurasia Group and Treasury civil servant, said, I understand full cabinet, chaired by Boris Johnson, will discuss Article 16 for the first time end of next week.